When you are building a website using Elementor Page Builder, you often need to install third-party add-ons to get more widgets or templates or features that are not available in Elementor's free version. And there are plenty of third-party add-ons available on WordPress repository. All have free and premium versions, but sometimes it becomes confusing which plugin or add-on to choose for your project. So in this plugin review video, I will try to reduce your confusion by introducing you to Ultimate add-ons for Elementor. This plugin is currently empowering 2 million plus websites with its amazing features. So if you are interested in learning how to build amazing websites using Elementor and Ultimate add-ons for Elementor, keep watching this video. And if you are watching this intro video on social media, then check the video description or comments for the full video tutorial link. So let's dive in. Alright, welcome, and let's start by installing the free version of an Ultimate add-ons for Elementor. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins and click on add new, add plugins. Now you can search here for Ultimate add-ons. This plugin was formerly known as Elementor Header and Footer Builder, which used to create custom header and footer templates using the free version of Elementor. But later on, this plugin is enhanced and it has now much more features and add-ons and widgets to build amazing WordPress websites. Now you can see over here Ultimate add-ons for Elementor. It currently has 2 million plus active installs. Click on install now, and once installed, click on activate. Okay, after the plugin is activated, you are redirected onto an onboarding screen where you can quickly set up like activate or deactivate specific widgets. Continue setup, and now you can create a custom header and footer, which I'll show you later on, or just navigate to the dashboard. Here you can again activate or deactivate widgets. You get all of these widgets in the free version of this plugin, and there are more widgets that you can avail after installing the pro version. If you navigate to the widgets tab, you will see all of the widgets that you can get with the pro version, and in the free version you get all of these free widgets and along with the header and footer builder module. In the settings tab, you can unlock its pro features by adding your license keys, but when you are using the free version you don't need a license key, because the pro version is separate, a separate plugin that you need to download from your Brainstorm Force account page, and then you can install the pro version and use the license key given to you by Brainstorm Force. Now let's head back to the dashboard and let me show you how you can quickly create custom headers and footer templates using the header and footer builder. This is currently a blank website I have set up, and I have used their own logo for demonstration purpose only, and I have created some blank pages. Now I am using Astra theme, and it has a default header, and Astra theme itself comes with amazing header and footer builder. But if you are using any other theme, or you want a complete freedom when building the header, then you can use Ultimate add-ons header and footer builder module. Just click on add new, and let's give it a title. I call it header, and then here you can select the type of the template, like header, before footer, or even a custom block. I select header, and then you can select the condition where you want to display this header. I select the entire website, and you can add multiple rules. Okay, and then you can also select a specific user role to show this header, like you want to show different header to logged in users and different to logged out users. Then you can choose these options, or you can select different specific user roles like administrator, editor, author, or contributor to show different headers. This is a pretty handy and great option when you are building some dynamic community websites or a membership website where you need to display certain options to different user roles. Okay, once you have done setting on your conditions, then you can select the template. I'll select Elementor full width and then just click the publish button. And now you can edit this template with Elementor, and then you have the complete control and editing area where you can use the widgets provided by Ultimate add-ons and any other widget provided by Elementor or any third-party add-on. You can see there are a couple of free widgets available, and there are some widgets that are locked to the pro version. And first of all, Retina logo. Let me quickly create a structure over here, and now I'll use the logo. And now you can choose the logo image over here. This is the default image, and you can upload a high-res version of the logo or for larger screens. And now you can use all of these control to adjust the content and stuff as you like. Okay, and now I'll use another free widget, which is navigation menu, and I'll convert this container to a row, and I'll use the option space between. Okay, now you can style your menu. You can choose the menu you have created on the backend, and then you can also set its layout options like horizontal, vertical, or even flyout menu. Okay, now I'll just quickly style this one. Okay, once you have done customizing your header, now you can see the new header will be applied to the website. It's applied on the entire website, and you can see over here. This way you can create multiple header and footer templates to replace the default header and footer provided by any theme. And now you can also use the free widgets to build pages and add content to your website. But the real power is unlocked after upgrading to the pro version. So let's check out their official website to learn more about the pro version and the features it offers in the premium version. First of all, it provides you with 50 plus widgets and extensions, 300 plus website templates, and 200 plus section blocks. And it also has a nice feature, which is copy Elementor designs from one domain to another. It means you can copy your designed sections across multiple websites. It has pretty amazing form styler widgets, like you can style your contact form 7 forms using their widget into a beautiful layout. You can create mega menus. It comes with amazing WooCommerce widgets that you can use to create stores or integrate WooCommerce functionalities into your existing website. And it also comes with a login form widget that you can customize to create custom login pages for your website. And there are more widgets like fast video and video gallery, a business reviews widget, and an amazing hotspot tour widget. So let's talk about the pricing. I'll click on the pricing, and let's see what we get in their pro version. First of all, there is a toggle over here for annual or lifetime subscriptions, and then you can choose between number of websites, 1, 10, and 1,000 websites license. And I always recommend to go with the essential toolkit. It comes in $79 per year, and if you switch to lifetime you can get this one in $400. But paying yearly is not that expensive, and the benefit you get with this essential toolkit is that you will get premium starter templates plugin that comes with 140 plus pre-built websites, and there are hundreds of sections and blogs that you can use on your website. So getting an essential toolkit will also give you access to Astra Pro, which is an amazing WordPress theme, which is the most popular free WordPress theme available at the moment. So in just $79 you can get Astra Pro premium starter templates along with the ultimate add-ons pro. So if you are going to purchase their essential toolkit, check the video description for our affiliate link. It will give us some incentives to keep making these videos for you. So I already have essential toolkit from Astra, and that comes with ultimate add-ons pro and premium starter templates. So I'll just log into my account and I'll download ultimate elementor add-ons pro plugin. With Essential Toolkit, you get Astra Pro, Premium Starter Templates, Spectra Pro, Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor, Ultimate Add-ons for Beaver Builder. So I'll download two plugins that I require for this website. Is one of them is Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor, and the second one is Premium Starter Templates. Let's navigate to Plugins, Add New. Click on Upload Plugin. First, I'll install Ultimate Elementor, and then you can navigate to the settings, and you can paste in your license key, copy it from your account and paste it over here and click on activate. Now I'll go to plugins, add plugin, and now I'll install premium templates plugin as well. Okay, I'll just close this one. And now we can start using Ultimate Elementor add-on and the premium starter templates. Let me just quickly show you how you can use this amazing add-on. But first we'll need to activate our premium starter templates license. I'll just quickly copy my license key over here and click on activate license. Now we can utilize the premium templates and sections from the premium starter templates plugin. Okay, now let's just navigate to the pages, and I have a couple of pages over here. I'll start editing the home page, and now you can see how quickly you can use those amazing section blocks to quickly create your pages. To access those blocks or templates, you can click on this starter templates button, and here you will see two options, full pages and the blocks. Blocks are handy when you want to build a customized landing page and you basically need some structures to lay out your content. It starts with a hero section. I'll select the hero section from here, and there are a couple of options that you can choose from over here, like this one. Just click on import block and the block will be imported into your page. See, everything is over here. Then you can customize the styling, and I suggest you adjust your global colors or styling for better layout. Okay, some of the blocks may have built with the older Elementor section and columns layout. You can quickly convert them to the container based layouts if needed. Okay, now I'll just quickly lay out some more blocks to enhance this page. After hero section, we normally have a feature section, and then we usually see services section. You can show some reviews, show some team members, and finally a CTA section. And this is how quickly you can design a complete landing page using blocks and templates. And let me show you some of the widgets that you get with the premium version. I'll go to add plugins and let's just install contact form 7, which is the most popular form builder plugin, but it also the most simplest styled form which you need to style with the third-party CSS and other methods. But Ultimate Add-ons plugin provides you a styler widget, like you get a default contact form, which is a pretty basic contact form. Now let's create a contact page using the Elementor page builder, and I'll quickly select a block, and this time we can choose contact form, and there are a couple of layouts for contact form. Let me choose this simple one. Okay, it will install the required plugins. They probably have used the WP Forms plugin. You see, it has installed WP Forms, right? But we'll go with the contact form 7. Okay, I'll just delete this one. And now if you scroll down, you can see all of the ultimate add-ons premium widgets are unlocked that you can now use on your website. And let me search for the contact form. You will type contact and you will get contact form 7 styler. Just drag this widget over here and then choose your form, and then you can select the field styles to box or underline, and there are a couple of more options like space between fields, and you can style a whole lot of content like background colors, field padding, border size, radio and checkboxes, submit button, and so on, which isn't possible with the default contact form 7 plugin. So now you get the power to style those boring contact form 7 forms to more appealing and nice looking forms over here. Let's create let's edit another page. If we go to about, and let me edit this with Elementor, and now you can explore other Elementor ultimate add-ons widgets like advanced heading. You see it comes with presets, like you don't have to think about anything or waste time on designing some headers or section headers. Basically, you can use the advanced heading widget to quickly create amazing looking headings, and then you can customize your text over here: heading, link, description, background text. You can further customize each preset with some of these settings, and then you also get a fancy heading. You can choose some presets to create amazing animated headings. You can see over here they are pretty amazing looking animations, and you can then also customize its effect as per your requirement. And then there are hotspot widget, content toggle, before after slider. Content toggle is an amazing widget that you can use to display different content depending on the different values of this toggle. It is its basic use case, the most popular use case would be showing the annual or monthly pricing table. You can change over here like monthly and content to heading. And then for the actual pricing tables, you can use some shortcodes in each of the box to display different content or different pricing table depending on the selected toggle value. Okay, and then there are, like I told you, there are 50 plus widgets that you can explore on your own to learn how you can utilize these widgets to create amazing websites. So that's it for now. I hope this review video will help you choose the best Elementor add-on for your workflow that you can use to quickly build amazing websites for your business or your clients. So if you have enjoyed watching this review, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss amazing video tutorials or reviews like these. And if you do decide to purchase Ultimate Add-ons Pro version, please purchase it from the link available in the video description. See you in the next video.